how to create and download a postage label with the Kaebox app. When you have important packages to ship, but no postage label available, Kaebox is there for you. Don't waste your time waiting at the post office to create a label for your shipment. Create your shipping label in seconds with the Kaebox app. Did you know you don't need to order a courier pickup in Kaebox? Simply navigate through the Send button in Kaebox and add the sender address and recipient address. When prompted, select the postage label only option and opt out of the courier pickup and drop-off service. Fill out the package dimensions and wait like you normally would. Then review the list of prices available to you in the Kaebox app. Since there is no courier to tip, remove any added gratuity from your order. Complete your final review to ensure all information is correct and submit your order. You can save your shipping label directly to your device with the Ultimate Shipping tool. Everything you need to prepare your shipment is in the palm of your hand. Save and share your shipping label effortlessly. Choose Kaebox and create shipping labels seamlessly anywhere. Download Kaebox for free from the App Store and Google Play Store.